Hi, welcome to Melissa Crafts. Today, I'll show you how to make a prank spill made out of epoxy and using a Coca-Cola can. Now let's get started. Yeah! First, we're gonna lay down tape for the platform so the epoxy doesn't stick to the paper. And epoxy won't stick to tape though. Just lay it down. The sticky part should be on the paper and the non-sticky part should be facing you. Time to make the resin. First pour it all the way in this small one, dump it in, which I already did. And now for B, aka the hardener. Make sure not to spill. And now we're gonna mix dye so that it can look like the color of Coca-Cola. I'm using these two colors and just pour them in. Remember, it's gonna be a thin layer of resin on the paper. So you're gonna make it really dark because if you put a thin layer of not that dark, you can't see the brown. And once you're done mixing, you can pour it on. And make sure it looks like a real spill. This long part is going to go inside the can, so then it's like a spill. After it's done drying, you can peel it off the tape. It's going to be really easy because it's sticky. Not to mention, satisfying. There you go. It's a prank you can pull on anyone. Put it on their computer, their phone, their bed, anywhere, really. And they'll be freaked out.
Melissa, what did you do?